Greetings, in this video I will show you how to make encrypted Ncat backdoor using Ncat. This tool is similar like Ncat, but it uses SSL to secure the communication between attacker and client. So there is no chance to catch by any traffic packet analyzer tools like Wireshark. If Wireshark intercept the communication, the network administrator or cyber forensic team does not know what data packet is going between two computers, and yes, it's secure. At last you will see what type of data is going through wire. Remember, if you are attacker, you have to think out of the box.
Straight down, Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Clear sky. Where am When you want to get off the darkest ground,